Hello everyone, my name is Holly Reed Tootle with the Master Playbook, here to help you ditch debt, save with purpose, and build wealth. I'm here today because it's time to Marie Kondo your finances. Yes, I too have been sucked into the Marie Kondo craze of decluttering and ridding myself of material possessions that no longer spark joy. And while I certainly haven't hit every category, I thought this was an excellent parallel to organizing and decluttering your finances. So similar to when you Marie Kondo your clothes or your books, when you declutter and simplify your finances, you can simply relieve yourself of any stress and anxiety and really put yourself in a place and on a path to sticking to and achieving the money goals you've set for yourself or for your family this year. So you have the power to create financial peace by being organized and in touch with every aspect of your money. So if managing your money feels like a task or takes too long or just you simply find it difficult, I'd like to jump right in with my top 5 tips to declutter and simplify your finances. First, we want to declutter and clear financial distractions. Here, I'm talking about all the advertising, email offers, or marketing calls coming to you that are likely unconsciously influencing the way you spend your money. To solve for this, you'll want to sign up for services like Unroll.me. This is a service that will allow you to opt out and unsubscribe from store emails and coupon offers, many of which are just cluttering your inbox. You're not reading them anyway. The result of doing so is a clean inbox with emails from companies you actually want to hear from. Alternatively, you can also just set aside a dedicated email account just for those types of emails so that you consciously go in to check for those promotions and advertisement and email offers. To address unwanted phone calls, sign up for the National Do Not Call Registry. Decluttering also means go paperless where you can. Get rid of as much paperwork as you can and opt to receive electronic statements instead. Some companies will even waive fees if you go paperless. And so you may not even take the time, if you're like me, take the time to read through a lot of the financial documents that come in, but the existence of large amounts of paperwork can be stressful in itself. So when you go paperless, this leads to my second tip, which is to use an online money management tool. I'm thinking of tools like Mint.com or Personal Capital. I personally use Personal Capital because it shows my net worth in one snapshot. But with most money management tools, they're going to ask you to link your financial accounts, and this is going to help you keep track of your finances so you can check in on it regularly and make sure that things are moving in the right direction. My next tip is to automate your finances. This one tip saves me so much time each month. But that doesn't mean I just set it and forget it. I still regularly check and monitor my expenses, review my bills, making sure that I'm not being overcharged. But I found that this is most helpful with my expenses that are the same amount every month. You can set this in motion with your non-negotiable expenses. Think about your mortgage payment, your auto insurance, your car payment, even your student loans. And I would even take it a step farther and set it to pay your credit card minimum payments. You can always pay more at another time. This is especially a great tip if you struggle with paying your bills on time. With the bills that you don't automate, considering just paying those as soon as they come in the mail. Now, automation doesn't just stop with your bills, they can also help you achieve your financial goals. Maybe you set a goal this year to maximize your 401k, your IRA, or saving for a summer camp or a summer vacation. It's great to treat your savings goal like a bill. Set it up for automated payments so that each month there's a deposit going into your savings account and your retirement accounts. My next tip is to reduce the number of credit cards you actually use. You may have multiple credit cards, whether they're reward cards, cashback, retail cards, but do you really need them all? Probably not. So pick one that you will carry and use in the case of an emergency while you focus on paying them off. You may want to keep the others open for credit scoring purposes, but focus your credit card use on a single card. You want to choose the one that offers the best benefits and just put the others away. It's simpler to manage your spending and handle payments with a single credit card than it is with 5 or 10 credit cards. My final tip is to ask for help. If you need to pay someone to help you with money management, do that. A professional can actually tackle money tasks with a level of speed and expertise that you may not possess. So whether that's working with a CPA to complete your taxes, or a financial advisor to help you manage your investment portfolio, or even a financial coach like me who can help you get organized, plug money leaks, and help you prioritize your next financial move, don't be afraid. Never be afraid to ask for help. So now that you've heard my top 5 tips, there's nothing left to do but to take action. Each of these 5 tips takes a small amount of time and effort to set up, and it can save you time and money by reducing clutter and wasted energy. When you streamline your finances, you are gifting yourself more time to do the things that are important to you. I trust you found this information helpful. If you did, definitely share with friends, family, and even colleagues. Let's stay connected. So if there's a topic you're interested in learning more about, shoot me a message, and I'll see you next time.